You know the story about Solika, no? Solika in Morocco?
No.
You don't know?
No.
Maybe I have to stay in Arizona another day here. Tomorrow I'm here. This girl Solika in Morocco, she's Jewish, and the Moroccan prince, the Muslims, likes her. She's a very pretty girl. And he comes to his father, the king, I want to marry this Jewish girl. So the father says, where? The father approves. They send people to the house. Please send us your daughter. We want her to be the new princess of Morocco. The Jews went crazy. Wow, Muslim wants to take our daughter. No, wow, we're not allowed. He said, I'm very sorry. You don't have that much of a choice. You have to send the girl. They bring the girl to the palace. And the prince told her, you know, if you marry me, you have to convert to Islam. We cannot marry a Jew. It's funny. They cannot marry a Jew. Besaram besar chamorim, the Gemara says. They cannot marry a Jew. It's hard to believe the jokes in this life. Anyway, so they cannot marry a Jew and force her to become Muslim. But of course she doesn't want. 1 week, 2 weeks, they talk to her in a nice way. Then the king lost his patience. The king says to her, listen, young girl, if you don't convert to Islam by tomorrow, we will make you convert one way or the other. You don't have a choice. You messed up with me now. She said, I don't care. I will never convert. You can kill me. I won't lose my God and my religion. The next day, they tie her to a horse with her hand like this. And the horse is about to run. And remember, this story is a few hundred years ago. So there was no roads like today. It's all stones and dust. So the horse is about to run. And the prince is begging her, please, why are you so stubborn? Just say you will. Let my father be happy. She said, on my dead body. So the king said to the horse, go. So the horse begins to run. He's dragging her on the floor. He runs. Everybody stands. All these Muslims stands by the sides to see what's going on here. Thank you. So, after about 5 minutes, but she's all bleeding, she screams, stop! So right away the king says, stop, maybe we broke her spirit. So the prince is happy. No, I knew you're going to do the right thing. She said, be quiet, you fool. I just want a safety pin. If you can bring me a safety pin. They say, safety pin? What do you need a safety? Bring me a safety pin. One Jew ran, he brings her in a safety pin. She takes the safety pin. She takes her skirt. She takes the safety pin and tie the skirt into her leg with all the blood coming out. She closed the safety pin. She said, now he can run. Why? While the horse was dragging her, her skirt was flying out. People can see her underwear. It's not modest. She's about to die in a minute or two. What does she worry about? Her modesty. And today Jewish girls walk in the street. Rabbi, how do you like my tight jeans? It's the new style. It's new company in Paris. No wonder all these designers kill themselves. They all kill themselves. I heard when I was in LA, one woman came. Did you hear what happened? I thought maybe the Israeli bombs Iran or something. She said, Mr. McQueen killed himself. So the guy asked her, who is Mr. McQueen? The biggest designer in Europe. Hung himself, 40 years old. Ay, 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 ay.